Alright guys, so this video is going to be about using Trainerize and MyFitnessPal to track your progress using a desktop, okay? Not really that much different than the mobile apps, but just want to cover a couple things that may be confusing. So once you log in to Trainerize, this is what it's going to look like, okay? You've got your dash, training programs, calendar, messages, groups, and progress on the left-hand side, alright? All this is pretty self-explanatory. If you have a nutrition plan on a PDF or a strict meal plan, it'll be down here, okay? Coming into your training program, so this is what I've set up for you. This is just kind of an overview of it, okay? Again, notes on how to do it, as well as the different types of workouts, A, B, and C, and then cardio, if that's what I've set up. Again, this is specific to each person, so don't take this to heart. This is just an example, okay? Calendar. I do like it much better on the desktop than the mobile app, but sometimes, you're at the gym and you're obviously not going to be carrying a computer with you, so, but it is nice to look at, once you get home or whatever. So once you are subscribed to a workout plan that I've built for you, you'll see that once a week, it's not necessarily going to be on Monday, but it will prompt you to take progress photos and track your body stats, okay? So you'll see these on your calendar. Same thing, click in there, upload your photos. Same thing with body stats, upload your stats. It'll also give you workouts on here. One thing I forgot to mention, and it's a little easier to see on this screen, is if you make an error, say you track something wrong, you need to go back and fix it, you can hit the edit button and come into each workout or each exercise and fix what you need to fix, okay? Just hit save and it'll reflect on my end. Also, if you need to add notes to your workout, something was super hard, you hurt your arm, you weren't able to do certain exercises, whatever, just add a note here and save it so that I can see it, okay? Messages, again, you can come in and talk with me about your training if you need help with something, or something seems to be a problem or whatever, just go to the messages and type me a chat down here. Groups we're not going to cover, it doesn't pertain to you. Progress, essentially you can track your progress based on exercise or increases in weights or your body composition or whatever. So it's kind of cool to see if you continually upload progress photos, then you'll be able to see what I see on the other side, which is your progress. Okay, so make sure that you do that each week, all right? That's it for the online portion. Coming over to MyFitnessPal, once you log in, this is what it'll look like on your side. So you've got your home. Really the only two tabs you're going to use are going to be home and food. Okay, so home tab, this is what is going to populate. You'll see your daily calorie goals. Again, we're not adding any exercise into MyFitnessPal, so please don't worry about that. Okay, so here you can go into goals, see your daily nutrition goals, just like what you see on your phone. Calories, carbs, fats, proteins, as well as calories by meal. And again, I've got my specific wording for each meal that I like, so I'll show you how to do that in just a second if you want to change it. Go into food to add different foods. Okay, so breakfast, there's our Jif peanut butter and banana we added earlier. All right, if you want to add something else, just click on that and click add and you're good to go. One thing I do want to note that I didn't touch on last time was if you're going to add like a whole food or like a fruit, a vegetable, a meat, something without a package, the best and most accurate way to log it is going to be to type in USDA and then the food. Okay, so say we're just going to add a Gala apple. Okay, so then we'll search, and then we want to use whatever is, let's see, probably just the first one, as long as it has USDA. Sometimes you'll see they have like a green check, so if I go like this one's got a green check on it, that means that it's been used quite frequently and it's been verified that it's accurate. Okay, so it'll come over here, ask you, it'll ask you servings and grams. okay? So you will have to measure out your grams, but I promise you after 2 weeks of doing it, you'll be able to figure it out almost by eyeballing it, but it will help you in the long run to get like a $5 scale from Walmart, a digital scale, and just weigh out your food, okay? So once you do that, you can add it to your diary, and bam, there you go. So that's pretty much it on this. The last thing I'll show you is the settings. So go into food, go into settings, okay? Just so you understand food and settings. Scroll down here. This is where you can change the meal names. So if you want to change to something specific or leave yourself like a note, feel free to do that right there. If you want to eat between certain meal times, you can do that. It's giving you some advice over here. So whatever works for you is fine with me too. All right, so that's it for this video. See you in the next video.